So Stephen, tell us about your business and what you do.
We're a farm business. We've got a few different aspects to it. We have livestock side, dairy cows, followers. We also run a contracting business, cover a wide area from south of Penrith across the west Cockermouth area and everywhere in between basically. And we also, about 7 or 8 years ago, developed an AD plant, which you can see behind us. My grandfather started with Burnett's, when I'm not quite sure, but it is a few generations back, I think. We've had good service, also good service in the past. And I think over the years you build up a relationship with the likes of Burnett's, and it gives us confidence, and we sort of know that we're going to get sound advice. Burnett's have helped us with the AD plant during the building process and beyond. There was some pretty tight time frames for getting stuff done, and they delivered on that perfectly, so we're very, very happy with that. I think in general, Burnett's are very easy to contact, quick response from them, and we've always found them, straightforward. They don't overcomplicate matters. Specific example of when Burnett's have impressed us was when we had a really tight deadline to get something done, and we achieved it with a few hours to spare, but nevertheless, it was a success. One thing I like about Burnett's is there's a team behind them, and I don't have to deal with just one person, so I've got access to somebody all the time if we need them. Yeah, I'd recommend Burnett's to other businesses. It's modern farming, you need professional support in all aspects of it, and we'll certainly get that from Burnett's.